Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets authenticity. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for an eyeliner that delivers smooth application and nourishes the skin around your eyes, then this one might be the perfect match for you. But does it really stand up to the test? Let's find out. Today, I'm reviewing the Mineral Fusion Eye Pencil in Light Brown Rough. This eye pencil promises a smooth and pigmented application, ideal for creating that perfect smoky eye look. But it's not just about the color. It's packed with soothing chamomile, meadowfoam, and vitamin E, ingredients that are meant to nourish the delicate skin around your eyes. The best part? It's designed to be hypoallergenic and non-irritating, so it's perfect for those with sensitive eyes. And let's not forget, it's cruelty-free and free of all those harsh chemicals like parabens, talc, and artificial fragrances. The first thing I noticed when I swatched this pencil is how smoothly it glides onto the skin. The texture is soft, which makes application effortless, especially if you want to build up color for a more intense, defined look. The pigmentation is on point, offering a rich, deep brown that works well for both day and night looks. When I tried it out on my eyes, I was impressed by how it stayed in place throughout the day. No smudging, no fading, just consistent color that held up during a busy schedule. It didn't irritate my eyes at all, even after hours of wear, which is a huge win for anyone with sensitive skin. It feels comfortable on the lids, which is something I truly value in an eyeliner. Plus, I didn't experience any discomfort when applying it to the waterline, which is often a challenge with other pencils. Let's break it down. The pros include the super smooth application, the nourishing ingredients like chamomile and meadowfoam, and the fact that it's long-lasting. It's also gentle enough for those with sensitive eyes, and I love that it's free of unnecessary chemicals. However, there's a slight con. While the pencil itself is great for creating defined lines, it's not as ideal for a sharp-winged eyeliner look unless you use a fine-tip brush to clean it up. So if you're into that crisp, precise wing, it might not be the easiest pencil to achieve that effect. But for smudged, smoky, or natural looks, it's fantastic. Now let's talk value. The price is definitely on the higher end for an eyeliner, but when you consider the ingredients, performance, and how it performs on sensitive skin, I'd say it's worth the investment. Plus, you're getting a product that's cruelty-free and free from the usual nasties that other brands often include. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some other mineral-based eyeliners out there, but few come close to the nourishing blend that Mineral Fusion offers. A couple of drugstore brands might offer similar shades, but I'm yet to find one that matches this formula in terms of smoothness and longevity. In terms of build quality, the pencil is sturdy and easy to use. The twist-up mechanism ensures you won't waste product, and it's great for traveling, no sharpener needed. Plus, it doesn't dry out quickly, so you get a good amount of use from it. As for longevity, the product holds up well throughout the day, and since it's gentle, I don't anticipate any issues with the product's lifespan either. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, I didn't need to reach out, but based on the brand's reputation, I trust they would handle any inquiries or issues swiftly. As for updates, I couldn't find any major changes to this eyeliner recently, so what you see is what you get. Nothing to report here. If you're considering alternatives, you could look at drugstore mineral eyeliners from brands like Burt's Bees or Honest Beauty. They're also free of harsh chemicals and are priced more affordably, though you may lose out on some of the nourishing ingredients that set this one apart. To sum it up, the Mineral Fusion Eye Pencil in Light Brown is a solid choice for anyone seeking a gentle yet pigmented eyeliner that can handle sensitive eyes. It's smooth, long-lasting, and made with great ingredients. While it may not be the best for sharp, precise lines, it's perfect for those looking for a more natural, smoky eye look. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description box if you want to grab this pencil. If you've used it, drop a comment below, let's talk. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.